Tom Mitchell, the 1 Minute Dog Trainer. We're here again today at the Waimea Farmers Market in Hawaii. And I want to talk about the basic 1 minute dog training concept. And what we do is we work with 1 minute sessions of the three basic, thank you, Rox, the three basic challenges that people come up against in dog training. And if you can get these three things down, then all your dog training efforts will succeed from there on in. So those three things are sit, stay, and come. And what you want to be able to do is have your dog sit. Rox, I need you to sit, please. And you can see today we're working with the leash both on her collar and on her harness, so I can give her multiple signals. So we use our voice and these signals, and I'll also use hand signals. Now, what we want to be able to do is walk away, even in the midst of a crowd, and there are people around, and there's people leaving the farmer's market, but we want to wait. We say, wait, please, and we want to be able to walk away. Now, I can get this far away, and I know that it might be easier for Roxy if I ask her, Rox, could you go all the way down, please? All the way. Thank you. That was wonderful. Now, you see I'm talking to her in full sentences, right? And I feel that's really important to speak in full sentences. So I'm asking her to stay now, and she's in a down, and wait. That's what we want to have, wait please, is a confident listening dog that we can take anywhere, and if we ask them to sit and wait, that they do. This is one of the most important elements in dog training, is developing this type of relationship where you and your dog trust each other. So, thank you for watching today. This is Tom Mitchell, the 1 Minute Dog Trainer.